Now you may have noticed on the Transform tab in the ribbon that there's this button called Convert to List. And what this is used for is it converts a query to what is really a list, and that can be used to dynamically filter certain queries. I'll give you a demo and show you what this is about. We've got this countries list here, for example. This is a query. It's not a list because I can tell by this symbol in the front. And I can see it's got China, Germany, and United States. So I'm sitting on here and I go convert to a list. Now it's technically a list. The word list is at the top and it's got the list sort of symbol in the front. So how does this work? If I now go to, say, customers, and I want to filter my customers based on this countries list, I'll go across to the country column and I'll hit the drop down and I'll do a filter. So let me just unselect all and choose Argentina and Austria, for example, and I'll go OK. So what I can see now is that I am only seeing Argentina and Austria, and I can see the M language at the top here. So I'm just going to edit this M language. So after this bracket here, I'm going to put list and then a full stop and contains country round bracket hash double quote countries list. There it is there. Countries list, comma, country, arrow across to here. Oops, not that far. Round bracket to close it, equals, get rid of all this stuff, and instead put true. And click the tick. And what that does is it shows me or filters out those records in the customers where the country is equal to this countries list. So why am I not seeing United States? That is because in the customers, the country United States is not entered as United States, it's entered as USA. So maybe I go back to my countries list and maybe I go convert it back to a table. Convert it back to a table and create a table, OK. Now I'll go replace value, so transform, replace values, and replace United States with USA, and OK, so USA. Now I'll convert that to a list, and there's my list, and I'll go back to customers, and now I'm seeing those customers that come from Germany and the USA. And I think I can safely conclude that we don't have any customers from China, and that's why none are showing. So that's the idea with a list. A list is something that can therefore be used by M language to filter, and you can adjust it.